How to set up crypto.com DeFi wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up your crypto.com's DeFi wallet. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to set up our crypto.com's DeFi wallet, first of all, download the crypto.com DeFi wallet application. Now keep in mind that crypto.com and the DeFi wallet is basically two separate apps. So you can see the crypto.com app at the bottom, but then this is the crypto.com DeFi wallet. You want to make sure to just download this exact application over here. Once you download and install that app, just go ahead and open it. If you already have an existing wallet, you'll see an option that says import an existing wallet from the bottom, but to create a relatively new one, just choose the option called create a new wallet. Once you do that, agree to this legal terms and conditions and then tap on the continue button from the bottom. Now you have three steps. The first thing is to create a passcode. Then if you want, you can enable biometrics, which means your fingerprint setup or maybe your face unlock or anything. And then you can also enable two-factor authentication. Now to begin with the first step of creating a passcode, just tap on that one and it'll ask you to enter the 6-digit passcode to access the application. So you can just enter a 6-digit and then confirm it again. And once you've done so, it'll ask you to verify a recovery phrase because we're choosing to create a new wallet. So what you need to do is it says a recovery phrase is something that you should not share with anyone. So just keep in mind, you should not share your recovery phrase with anyone, because if someone has access to your recovery phrase, they'll be able to gain access to your DeFi wallet. So after that, what you want to do is, it says that where should you store it, you want to make sure to write it down somewhere safe because it's basically a phrase. So over here you'll be able to see all of the phrase. It'll ask you to let's get started, just select reveal my recovery phrase, copy them down somewhere else, and of course it will not let you take a screenshot, so just keep that in mind. And then you have to simply enter your recovery phrase over here, and you can skip for now as well if you want to, but I'm going to do this process. And then it'll ask you to confirm your recovery phrase. It'll ask you to enter the word 9, word 10, word 11, word 12, depending upon all of the words over there. Then tap in the continue button. If your phrase is correct, now it'll ask you to enter a wallet name, so go ahead and do that respectively as well, and then just choose the option called continue from the bottom. And as you've done that, you'll have successfully set up and signed up for crypto.com's DeFi wallet, which means that as long as you have a recovery phrase, I'm telling you, do not lose it. Either memorize it or either keep it somewhere safe. No one else will be able to get access to your account. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.